Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. Today we're going to show you how to install your gooseneck prep kit that you probably bought a la carte from GM for a couple $100. You can get them offline. I will link the GM one, I will link the Ford one, I will link the Curt and the BMW. They all work within this system. And if you buy one, guys, you trade your truck, keep this. It will work in your Ford, even if you go from Chevy to Ford, vice versa, and so on. Even in the Ram, it'll work just fine. Alright, before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, guys. Got a lot of great new content coming up. Hit the thumbs up, notification bell at the end of the video so you know I'm posting new content. And without further ado, I will link all these down in this video. The Curt one, the BMW, the Ford one, and the GM one. You can get them on the Zahn for a little bit cheaper. You can get them on there. But guys, if you already bought one, you can see this says blue oval on it, right? This actually came in a truck that I bought a few years ago. I had the fifth wheel tow prep package in the bed, and the kit typically comes with this. So inside this kit, which can be from Ford $300, GM $400, Ram $500, I don't know, somewhere in those numbers, you're going to get your ball, which is 2 5/16, and 2 tie down, basically I call them shackles, if you will. They're all going to fix about the same way. Some people are hesitant about this ball because you can see right here these two lobes that are down here, and it's super easy. You're going to pop out this. This is on the 2025 Chevy. You're going to put it in there. All you do is lift that up, drop it down. Guys, that's it. That's how you install this ball. I'm going to encourage you not to grease it, because if you do decide to take it out because you need your bed, you need to put a sheet of plywood in here or something, you're going to need to make sure you wrap this up so it doesn't get greasy. And if you do get it greasy, it's going to go in there. You don't really need to grease balls all that much because then they get sandy and gooey, but you do you, boo. Then you're going to come over here, and all you do is basically push these out right there with that. You come over here, and again, this is the Ford system. You line up the holes right there, and then once you turn it in there, as soon as you turn it, that's it. It stops. This clip right here, specifically on the Ford one, which they're all very similar, as soon as you put it in there, it's not going to go down. You can see right here. Turn it, and you'll see it go down. And that's it. That's all it takes. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to come out. And once you hook your chain in here, it's going to hold that down even more. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's super easy. You're going to do the same thing on that side, guys. And that's it to installing this. Now, I think this one was rated at 26,000 pounds. And if you just prefer the BMW, again, link below, you can get it. It's going to install the same way. You're going to take your caps out the same way. They are kind of springy, so when you put them in, just kind of clip them out. If you have an extra hand, obviously you can hold it down and really just kind of work it out like that. And always save these covers, guys. Don't chuck them out. That's all you're getting in that kit. So if you order the puck system, is what I call it, or GM's Gooseneck fifth wheel prep package, you're going to get the stamped holes. If you need this ball kit and you want to get it from them, it's the smaller option on there. You're going to say, I need the ball and the tie down pieces too. But from this video, guys, if you have it on the shelf, it was for a Chevy puck system, Ford puck system, or Ram, it will work. So just snag it off the shelf and don't sweat it, unless you need a beefier ball and keeping in mind your actual weight capacities of your truck. All right, guys, I'm going to have a separate video on how to install an actual fifth wheel plate in here and that special ass adapter I got, which is pretty damn cool. Appreciate you guys being here. We're going to catch you on the next one.